Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoho CRM automation rules with exports, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the automation section on the left sidebar. Click on the automation tab to access your automation tools. Select the rules option to view all existing automation rules. Identify the specific automation rule you wish to backup. Click on the checkbox next to the selected rule to highlight it. Look for the More option located at the top of the rules list. Click on More to reveal additional actions. From the drop-down menu, select Export. A dialog box will appear prompting, choose your preferred file format for the export, typically CSV or JSON. Once you select the format, click on the Export button. The system will process your request and generate the export file. After the export is complete, a download link will be provided. Click on the download link to save the file to your device. Verify that the file has been downloaded successfully. Repeat this process for any other automation rules you wish to backup. Ensure that your exported files are stored securely for future use. With these steps, you have successfully backed up your Zoho CRM automation rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.